recording.
All right, man, it is winter time for real, for real, for real, for real. As the young folks say, for real, for real. How you like them blankets? I love them. I'm headed home in the fog. It is good and foggy, and I'm headed home in it. This is my first day back from my vacation. I'm proud to be back, but I wish I was still on vacation. But you gotta pay for these things. Now my topic is today. Wait for it. What the world Slappy gonna say? My topic is today. Does an asshole know that they are an asshole?
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Lappydog.
And I'm gonna sing a song for you.
It's Lappydog.
Show you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
Huh? What I mean by that, if a person's an asshole, do they know they're an asshole? Do most assholes know they're assholes? I would think they are. Now, there's a difference between a smart ass and an asshole. The difference is, to me, my difference is, sometimes a smart ass can be funny. You know, you say something, they may have a little slick something to say. It can come off a little witty. It can come off cheerful, you know, in a playful way. That's a smart ass. Always got something slick, something smart to say. But an asshole, it comes off in a mean, derogatory way. It's not coming from a good place. You're not trying to get a laugh. And the other difference between a smart ass and an asshole, assholes stink. They smell like boo-boo. So there's another illustration of the difference in an asshole and a smart ass. But I'm just saying that if you are an asshole, you either need to ride with other assholes or ride by yourself. If you're so critical about everybody's movement, everybody is wrong except for you, you are an asshole. If you find yourself having to apologize for the things that you may have said or done, you are an asshole. If somebody invites you to their family, to their table, let me give you another illustration. If you invite me to your barbecue, I'm not going to sit down with your aunties and cousins and badmouth you to them. It's not going to go over well. They don't know me, but they do know you. So, the difference between an asshole and a smart ass is I don't fuck with assholes. I don't want them around me. I don't deal with assholes on a regular basis in my regular life. I don't want to deal with an asshole on me on a vacation. So sometimes you don't know that they're an asshole until it's too late. But if you're an asshole, let me turn these. If you're an asshole, you might want to stick with yourself or other assholes. You might want to stick with yourself or other assholes, because real people is gonna check you out for what you are. And as I said, if you get invited on a slappy dog adventure, you got one shot at it. You mess it up, that's it. That's kaput. No more. No more shots at it. I'll give you a chance. Because we're going to ride. We're going to have some fun. We're going to eat some good food. And we're going to ride some more. And my family could very well be your family. I will extend my family to you. But you're not going to mistreat nobody in my house or in my family or on my watch. Damn, that was a skunk. And I had my mouth open. Damn it, boy. That was fresh. That's what you call freshness. But anyway, that was my little illustration on assholes and smart asses. You know, people, I've seen them all the time. I've seen it before. At the age that I am, I'm 51, just so you know. I'm not super old, but I've been around the block a time or two. We all have seen people with certain personalities. So you ain't doing nothing different. But if you want to come on in and relax and try to have some fun with some new people, and maybe you become one of the regulars, don't be an asshole. And I say that, but I gotta take it back. I'm glad you an asshole and let everybody see it. That way, when nobody sees you no more, they not gonna ask why. They know why. Alright, you guys, come on, don't you be a damn asshole. And if you come on one of my damn trips, I'm gonna treat you with care, and I'm gonna take care of you because I've done this before. I don't know everything, but I've done it before. Just follow my damn lead. I'm headed to the house, y'all, and it is foggy, foggy, foggy. Woo!
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.